these are my Caiman Revolution welding gloves that I just got. So I have been welding since 2012, and this brand is the only brand of gloves that I purchase. So real quick from the beginning, these are heavy duty. These are going to be for your stick welding. So it's got very durable pigskin leather, and it's got this nice insulated heat shield right here. So you're not going to feel that burning as you're going up and welding. So having a heat shield on your hand when either you're doing MIG or stick, it really does help you out as a welder, because the whole point of being a welder is you want to be able to get in a good spot and you don't want to have to stop. Well, sometimes depending on the gloves that you actually wear, your hands get hot and you want to stop because back of your hand starts burning. You don't want to have to keep your hand up there welding. So with these, this actually helps out quite a bit. So these are cuffed too. So these are a little bit longer, so when you're chipping your slag off or when you're welding, you have a nice cover right here for your arm, so that way you're nice and protected. Now, another thing that's really nice is it comes with this carabiner hook. So what you can actually do, and what I usually do, is I just hook this to my belt loop. So this will actually hang off from your side. So that's a pretty nice feature right there. And it's also got a pulse protection. It's got a pulse protection patch. It's got a left-hand feature that has extra layer of heat for resistance. And it's also, like I said, it's super durable. So you can use these, and you're going to be able to use these for a long time. Like I said, this particular set of gloves, really good for stick welding and for MIG welding. Check it out.